Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve two linear equations. Let's start with the first one. 5x minus 2 over 4 equals 2x plus 2 over 2. In this equation, the expressions on both sides of this equation are in fraction form. It'll be easier to solve this equation if we get rid of the denominators. We can do that by multiplying both terms by the lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple of the denominators. The denominators are 4 and 2. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 2 is 4. So we should multiply both fractions by 4. Now we can reduce the terms in the fractions. On the left side, we can cancel out the 4's. On the right side, we can reduce 4 and 2. We have gotten rid of the denominators. Next, we should distribute the 2 into the parentheses. To get rid of the parentheses, we should multiply both terms in the parentheses by 2. Next, we should gather and combine x terms on the left side of the equation. We should subtract 4x from both sides. 5x minus 4x is equal to 1x. In this step, negative 2 and 4 are like terms. We can gather and combine the number terms on the right side of the equation. We should add 2 to both sides. We can write 1x as just x. We don't write 1 as a coefficient of the term. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. This is the solution of the first equation. Now we can solve the second equation. 5 over 4x plus 1 over 2 equals 2x minus 1 over 2. In this equation, there are 4 terms: 5 over 4x, 1 over 2, 2x and negative 1 over 2. 3 of these terms are in fraction form. The first step is to get rid of the denominators. We should multiply each term in this equation by the lowest common multiple of the denominators. The denominator of 2x is 1. So the denominators are 4, 2 and 1. The lowest common multiple for these denominators is 4. So we should multiply each term in this equation by 4. Now we can multiply the terms. 4 times 5 over 4 is equal to 5. The 4's cancel each other out. 1 over 2 times 4 is equal to 2. 2x times 4 is equal to 8x. Negative 1 over 2 times 4 is equal to negative 2. So we have gotten rid of the denominators. Now we can gather and combine like terms. We can gather and combine x terms on the left side of the equation. We should subtract 8x from both sides. 5x minus 8x is equal to negative 3x. In this step, plus 2 and negative 2 are like terms. We can gather and combine these number terms on the right side of the equation. We should subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4. Next, we should divide both sides by negative 3. We can cancel out the negative 3 on the left side. I get x equals negative 4 over negative 3. The negative signs get cancelled out. I get x equals positive 4 over 3. This is the solution of the second equation. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve these equations. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.